Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Yewande and this is Yani London. In today's video I am going to be taking in the waist of these jeans as they are slightly too large for me. I'm going to use my unpicker to make two cuts alongside just behind where the belt loops are. So you're going to cut the inside of the fabric, making sure not to cut through the whole side of the denim. There I'm just checking the elastic I have is the correct size, making sure that the hole isn't too large. I do the same on either side by the belt loops. I'm now measuring out a piece of elastic. I'm going to cut it 2 to 3 inches shorter, depending on how large the size of your jeans are, larger than your waist. I'm going to cut off 3 inches. I'm then going to use a safety pin method to put the elastic through the little gap at the back of the jeans. As I started pushing the elastic through, it got caught on the little logo on the back that shows you the size, so I had to unpick that also. After I'd unpicked that from the jean, I just removed all the excess thread that was on it and then pushed the rest of the elastic through the little tunnel at the top of the jeans. Make sure to be careful at the other end that you don't put it all the way through so that the other end of the elastic doesn't get lost inside the tunnel. The fabric will gather a little as you're doing this. Here I'm just pushing the end in slightly, and then I'll begin to sew the elastic to the front side of the jean, making sure not to go all the way through so that the area that I'm sewing isn't seen on the opposite side. When I first started the first side, I sewed the elastic to the left side of the jean and then sewed the right side of the jean to close the seam together, but I should have put the right side of the jean on top of the left so that it's slightly flatter, which I did on the opposite side, which we'll see in a couple of seconds. Yeah, so now I'm just doing the same on the opposite side, but making sure to layer the sides that I'm seaming together on top of one another to make sure that it's flatter. Both ways are cool, to be honest, but like I could have made it a bit better. Doesn't really make a difference, but like I'm just extra. I went up and down the cut area twice just to make sure that it was secure. And there we go, that is the finished product. No one would even know that you're taking in your waist. And here we go, it's like flush to my start. You better work, sis. Look at that, look at that. You see that? Yeah, anyway, thanks for watching my video, guys. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also press the bell to receive notifications when I next upload videos. Thank you for watching.